Hello, and welcome to the Positive Psychology Resources website overview. My name is Erin Heilmeyer, and I've created a website for you to understand positive psychology and the resources that are available online. On our homepage, I use Google Sites, and you'll see this video as well as a resource key. Each resource within this website is labeled with the following icons: website, video, article, blog, or online activity. Hopefully this will help you know what you're clicking into when you're learning more about positive psychology. I also had the following subcategories: the basics, happy companies, criticism, and engage in positive psychology. So let's click on the basics. For those of you who may not know, positive psychology is the actual study of happiness. So what is it that makes us happy? And I think a really great resource to start out with is What is Positive Psychology by the Test Prep Gurus. It's a short video so you can understand the concept of positive psychology and the history behind it, as well as how you can go about learning a little bit more about bettering your own well-being. You'll see a website and a couple of articles on this page as well to help understand the foundations of positive psychology. Then you can move on to happy companies. I actually found out about positive psychology from goodthink.com. I was at a conference and this gentleman, Shawn Achor, was presenting about what makes him happy and the happiness advantage, which helps people understand ways to make them happier and feel more fulfilled. So I thought it was a really great resource, and I thought that there's probably quite a few other companies that are touting positive psychology and how it can help individuals and companies. And I found quite a few, and these are some examples of the leaders in positive psychology and how they're capitalizing on it. I also felt as though we needed to explore the criticism of positive psychology. It's a field that's moving very, very fast as far as the media and individuals really liking what they're hearing, but the science behind it and the research is a little bit slower. And so there are some concerns that people are jumping to conclusions with positive psychology and that there is just one little magic solution to make everyone happier. And so you'll find an article about this, as well as some blog posts with people with their opinions, and then also a lecture about whether positive psychology really is what it means to be. And then finally, the most interactive area of the website is engaging in positive psychology. I thought that with this topic, it was really important to provide resources that would help you understand positive psychology better, but also ways to engage yourself in it and maybe benefit from some of the principles. So you'll find a questionnaire center where you can fill out tons of inventories and questionnaires about your own positive psychology and well-being. You can interact with others about positive psychology through Twitter. We also have a video of Dan Harris talking about his own experience with positive psychology and an entire TED playlist that's devoted to positive psychology. Since a lot of people visiting this site will probably be in education, you'll see positive psychology in the classroom through this blog. It's a great place for you to explore ways to integrate it in your own classroom. And then also a website very similar to this one, but much more extensive, with 500 awesome positive psychology pieces so that you can explore it more and also share it with others. So hopefully you'll find this website to be easily organized and a way for you to learn more about positive psychology. Thanks for visiting.